Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. All of the job leads in today's video are going to be customer service based. I know I've been sharing a lot of different non-phone jobs. In this video, I do have a non-phone customer service job that's doing customer service through email and chat. I also have some phone-based customer service jobs. I even have a healthcare customer service job. We have a little bit of something for everyone. All of these jobs are higher, decently paying, like $20 an hour plus. Some of them even pay up to $76,000 a year, which is really good for a customer service job. But we are going to dive all in. As always, the links to all the pages I share so you can go put those applications in are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do ask that if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And if you know anyone who could benefit from these, please share with all your friends and family. We are not going to waste any time today. We're just going to dive through these. I've already put out quite a few videos for you today, and I don't want to overwhelm anyone. So today's first job lead is from the company Nook. Now, Nook is hiring a customer care specialist. So their customer care specialist is going to serve that crucial role in making sure that the smooth operation of their software as a service learning platform and tutoring services is functioning. So you're going to respond to and resolve complex technical inquiries from clients through various channels. This might include email, chat, and phone in a timely and professional manner. When you're on the phone or email with them, some of the things you'll do is diagnose the software, hardware, or network issues, guide users through troubleshooting steps, and providing clear explanations comfortable with data analysis. Of course, you're going to escalate and track any issues that require higher level expertise. You'll be assisting the clients with setup and configuration of EdTech learning to make sure they have a smooth onboarding process. You'll document in the knowledge base, creating and maintaining a detailed documentation, including troubleshooting guides and best practices. So you know how some websites have like FAQs and things like that on their website? You'll contribute your knowledge to those documents. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 3 years of a proven experience in technical support, somebody who is familiar with education technology, software as a service, platforms, or online tutoring, someone who has great problem-solving skills, great communication skills, and somebody who can be detail-oriented. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $60,000 a year all the way up to $65,000 a year. I told you we're doing higher paying customer service jobs. None of those $15, $16 an hour, not in this video. They are also, though, going to give you a home office setup. They're giving you the laptop you need to do the job, and they're providing you $130 a month for home expenses like your internet or things like that. Next up, if healthcare is your thing, Cardinal Health is hiring a senior specialist for their customer service operations. They're basically looking for somebody to demonstrate a commitment to meeting service expectations, fulfilling service agreements, and meeting the customer needs. You're going to assist in negotiating product and supply chain cost, utilizing terms and conditions of supplier contracts, demonstrating those decision-making skills for optimal purchasing decisions based on supplier and customer contracts, situation information, and any other available data. You assess customer needs, market conditions, and competition for business strategy, tracking and trending any of those key performance indicators. So in the healthcare field, you're going to be helping get the supplies. Now, they do prefer a bachelor degree for this position, and somebody who has 3 to 6 years of direct customer service experience. Also, someone who is highly motivated. Now, pay for this position, again, is anywhere from $55,400 a year all the way up to $76,500 a year. Moving right along, again, in the healthcare field, we have Ontrak Health hiring a member support specialist. This, again, is remote for the United States. They're looking for somebody to support their whole health mission by enhancing member outcomes. You'll improve access to care through timely referral management, appointment coordination, and member data reconciliation. So you're basically going to process any healthcare referral requests from on-track care coaches and behavioral health providers, non-medical drivers of health resources, and health plans. You're going to coordinate the behavioral health appointment scheduling as needed, so making sure that those members get their appointments scheduled and they get the provider office instructions before they need to show up to their appointment. You'll help support the members and initiate their Ontrak program journey, supporting them in completing any pre-visit paperwork that needs to be done, and proactively monitoring and responding to member report changes for eligibility and enrollment. Now, they prefer an associate's degree, but it is not required. A high school diploma is required with 1 or more years of experience in healthcare or behavioral health. They also need someone who is great with computer skills, specifically those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, somebody who can communicate effectively, be a multitasker, and a problem solver. Now, they do want somebody who can be disciplined to work from home on a set schedule, so you need to actually show up for work and be able to get yourself up out of bed. Sometimes working from home, that is hard to do, but pay for this position is anywhere from $20 to $23 an hour. All right, and if you're looking for non-phone based customer support, Sprout Social has 503 reviews on Glassdoor. They come very highly rated at a 4.3 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a customer support specialist. Now, this is going to be non-phone. It does say you're gonna guide the customers, help manage the incoming customer request through a combination of email and chat. So email and that website chat. Non-phone, you're gonna handle some screen share requests with more in-depth technical troubleshooting is necessary. You're gonna own your output. You'll consistently have to meet both quantitative and qualitative expectations. So basically, it's a productivity role. They're gonna make you meet quality goals and production goals, including customer satisfaction ratings, and you'll become a product expert in an in-depth onboarding in order to understand the ins and outs of Sprout Social and how to best support their customers. So this is going to be more on the tech customer support side. They are looking for somebody who has 1 year of customer service experience and someone who is willing to work 8.5-hour U.S. business day between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. Central Time. If you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you, but no college degree is needed. You do have to have great communication skills and be a problem solver. Now, again, this is a fairly decent paying role, paying anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $50,000 a year. Next up, if you've ever heard of the company Upstart, I think they do personal loans and things like that. They are hiring an identity theft specialist, again remote, for the United States. It says you can live and work anywhere in the United States. They do have offices in several different cities, but this is a remote position. It is going to be customer service based, though. I think it's going to be more along the lines of identity theft for people who have applied for loans or have Upstart loans. As an identity theft specialist, you're going to communicate directly with claimants, gather and review claim documents, loan application information, and work cross-functionally with the legal compliance and investigation department. Now, one thing to note about this position real quickly is that they do encourage their employees to meet from time to time, collaborating in-person meetings. They do this only, it says, once a quarter, sometimes once or twice a year. If it is required that you attend any of these meetings, and they will cover all of your travel expenses, but just know that a little bit of travel might be required. But otherwise, on a normal daily basis, other than communicating via phone, email, and mail regarding any identity theft claims, you're going to compile and process documents to review these loan application details and support claim investigations, thoroughly investigating the identity theft claims, documenting any of your findings and conclusions, and you're going to work with the legal department to process any identity theft claims as needed. Now, only a high school diploma or GED is required for this position, 12 months handling claims or disputes, and 6 months of communicating directly with claimant, so 6 months of customer service. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $48,880 a year all the way up to $58,240 a year. And last but not least, we have the company Squire hiring a customer support specialist. It says Squire is a leading fast-growing software technology platform for barbershops and $100 billion global industry. They are also the premier booking engine that connects people with great barbers nationwide. It does say this is 100% remote, can be located anywhere in the United States, but they are looking for someone to be open to working weekends. But they're basically looking for somebody to be the voice of Squire, the go-to resource for customers when they need assistance, receiving incoming inquiries and issues from their customers through ticketing systems, chat, phone, and email. You're going to own the timely resolution of these support tickets, documenting interactions, case notes, and troubleshooting efforts for the customer interactions. So you'll continue to learn and master the Squire products and services to better serve the customers. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 1 to 3 years experience in customer service or tech support, somebody who's familiar with macOS, iPad, iOS, and Android devices, so both phone systems, somebody who is previous experience with customer relationship management systems like ticketing systems. Of course, you have to have great communication skills. This is customer service. Be detail-oriented and self-motivated. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $24 to $26 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Also, let me know down in the comments if you enjoy customer service jobs, leads like this, or you prefer the other videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a like button if you did enjoy any of these. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.